Okay, we're away. Stay off the numbers. Okay, so you open up the race box, you go to your saved speeds, you find the relating speed run, and obviously you have to hit the 3 wee dots at the top to obviously include the speed video segment in the middle. I will move my graph for the acceleration all the way to the end just after the brakes, and then you go in, you select the video, the relevant video for that speed run. The reason I do the bit with the brakes is so as whenever you're listening to it, you can line the video up, because you can hear when you hit the brakes, and you line that up. So you want to go here and you select your video. It'll be unlinked, so you have to go and find the video, and then you hit the 3 wee lines, and you have to unlink the video so as you can adjust it in line with your graph. So once you've unlinked it, you come all the way across, and you find it there again with the brakes. So I let it run past the brakes, so as then whenever you're listening to it, you'll hear the brakes. As soon as you hear the brakes, you pause it. And then you link. And then you overlay, begin overlay, and this is where it adjusts it and ties it all together. Once this is complete, it's as simple as saving your video and then adding it into your video for your speed run. Then you would save to gallery, and then it's there. And that's, you'll see in there, it's just any random video. Myself for and it works very well. Out of the way. Can't be bad at that. Stop. We're away. No. There's a battery up as well.